So, hello guys! So, for today's video, pupunta po kami ngayon sa Love Museum. So, actually, pangalawa ko na po. Nandun kami last date time. So, let's check it out kung ano ang mga pagbabago. So, tara na! Kahit mainit, talagang sinugod na lang namin. Kasi no choice eh. So, ito yung habang tunnel dito sa Abu Dhabi. Yes! Pangatlo na nga to eh. Wow! Ay, si Mona Lisa pala ang wala dyan, Jom. Nandun lang sa France yun. Ano? So dito. Ano ko dito? So guys, we are here na! Much better we have baggy. Kahit mainit. Ayan. Let's go inside of the Louvre Museum. Guys, grabe ang init as in. Yeah, much better it's what's this? So Jom, iglabas natin, we can go here. Yeah. So guys, ito nagtutor kami dito doon. Grabe ang init, pero at least may hangin, o diba? Welcome here in the Louvre Museum. So this is outside. Wow. We will go inside, guys. But inside, of course, is an aircon there, so it's not hot na. Oh my God. Yeah. No need na. He will never doing a YouTube. So this is the main entrance, guys. So guys, ito ang una mong makikita. Oh my God, si Mona Lisa nandito na po. Dati wala to eh. Sa France mo lang to makikita. Guys, sa pagpasok mo talaga dito, si Mona Lisa ang makikita mo. Ito ang wala dati. Yes. Si Museum Gallery, yes. So let's go to here or here. I think here, John. So according to Friedrich Nietzsche, we have art in order not to die of the truth. Diba? O diba, ang ganda ng background with the good captions. Nos avons art affin. I can't understand what is this. Come here na! Who you will check your bag? Bag! Guys, ito ang una mong makikita after ni Mona Lisa. So, ang laki talaga ng pagbabago since before. Kasi nga pandemic that time yung napunta kami dito. Yeah, ang ganda na. Ang daming nadagdag. Ito yung mga places. Guys, look at inside. Oh my God, ang gaganda na talaga dito. ano yan? Wait, halika, basahin yan. Elizabeth Padlong yung siya eh. She will read. She's what Mary? Yeah, Queen Mary Antoinette. Yes, si Queen Mary. Tama, si Queen Mary. Buti pa siya marunong, ikaw walang alam. Binili nila yan or souvenir pa. Tapos ginawa nilang ano. Kaya guys, grabe ang kaganda. Painting kasi dati nagpipaint yata kami. Yeah, mga design dyan. Nandito kami dati ni Madam. See?
Takot.
See guys, did you see this different kind of chairs? Oh my god. The history is all here. They're putting what's this? Cup, the cup, the leaf cup. Yeah, see, this is the leaf cup. Coffee and tea serve. And this is the taburit kiuki. Can't understand what's that meaning. Butterfly stall. This is the chair. Of course, this is the chair. And look at the amazing bicycle, guys. And this one. Do you know what is this? Whose idea? What's this? Huh? Oh my God, marami kami nito sa Pinas, guys. Yung pinagluluto ni Mama para sa ano ng baboy, pagkain ng baboy namin. Yes. Oh my goodness. And look at the bicycle. The design. Orange, fresh orange. Yes, yeah, see, look at the different kind of paintings. So amazing. Yeah. Oh my God. I think malapit na kami sa labas. So, good luck na naman sa init, guys. Actually, hanggang 6 o'clock lang dito. Kaya, dapat sana gabi kami papunta dito. Kaso hanggang 6 o'clock lang sila. So, no choice. Kahit mainit. Ayan, guys. Ito na yung papuntang labas. So, meaning malapit na tayo sa kahihatnan. Sa katapusan. Sa Inn of Louvre. O see? So good luck sa amin sa init. So this is it. Ano daw? Palabas na tayo. Continue your visit. Thank you. And have a nice day, everyone. And of course, thank you for watching. Marami pa ding tao, guys, kahit mainit. Yeah, see. This is the Fountain Al-Abara. Pero ang laki talaga ng pagbabago. Ang daming pagbabago. So, this is it, the exit. Oh my God, good luck sa exit. So, this is, guys, the Louvre Museum. So, ito na yan.
Inside.